There are two main options for removing videos: unlisting and deletion. Unlisting temporarily hides the video from your storefront and search results. It's reversible and doesn't erase the video file. This is useful for seasonal content or quick policy adjustments. Deletion, on the other hand, permanently removes the video from Amazon servers. It can't be undone. Earnings from past sales remain, but future attribution is lost. To permanently delete a video, follow the same initial steps. Log into Influencer Central, go to My Content, and select the video. This time, choose the Delete option. Amazon will ask you to confirm that the video doesn't violate any policies, like containing misleading claims or promoting prohibited products. Once deleted, the video is gone for good, so be certain before you proceed. Deletion also removes all associated metrics from your storefront analytics. Compliance is key to avoiding forced removals of your Amazon influencer videos. Amazon has tightened its policies, particularly regarding FTC guidelines on sponsored content. Make sure all your videos clearly disclose any sponsorships using tags like #ad. This simple step helps maintain transparency and trust with your audience. Non-compliant videos can be automatically flagged for removal, leading to account suspensions. This can seriously impact your ability to earn commissions and maintain your influencer status. Many marketers are aware of FTC guidelines, but confidence in understanding them varies. This chart shows that while 89% are aware, only some feel fully confident in their comprehension. Account suspensions can occur when policies are violated. This example shows an Amazon notification requiring documentation to reactivate a suspended seller account. Here's an example of proper disclosure in a social media post promoting sponsored content. Notice the clear use of hashtags and disclosure of receiving the product for free. As of mid-2025, Amazon reported a 15% increase in voluntary removals due to heightened scrutiny on authenticity. Always prioritize transparency to protect your influencer career. The influencer landscape is rapidly evolving with new technologies and content formats. AI tools like Amazon's Content Guardian now automatically scan videos for policy violations, flagging content for removal, and making moderation more efficient. According to industry data, 40% of content removals are now AI-initiated, reducing manual workload for creators. Additionally, the integration of TikTok-like short-form video features into Amazon's platform means influencers are producing more ephemeral content. These quick videos have shorter lifespans, leading to higher deletion rates for outdated material, with removals up 25% year over year. Let's look at real-world examples of influencers managing their Amazon content. Consider the case of Glow Up Gal, a beauty influencer who faced FTC fines for undisclosed sponsorships in over 20 videos. She unlisted and deleted them, losing 15% of her earnings initially. However, regaining account access and rebuilding authenticity ultimately led to a 25% sales rebound after redesigning her storefront. Another example is FitFamDad, a fitness creator who removed 50 videos promoting unsustainable supplements after Amazon's policy update. By switching to eco-friendly brands, he saw a 40% increase in commissions. In another instance, a pet product influencer permanently deleted content after a viral expose over false claims, resulting in account termination. This case sparked important industry discussions on accountability. These real-world examples highlight the importance of ethical content management, transparency, and adaptability for success in the Amazon Influencer Program. Marketing guru Neil Patel advises auditing your videos quarterly to avoid penalties. Influencer coach Sarah Ware suggests using unlisting to preserve data for analytics and deletion for a fresh start. Remember to stay informed about Amazon's evolving policies. By understanding the process and prioritizing compliance, you can effectively manage your Amazon influencer videos and maintain a successful storefront.